Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. This year, the Independence Day celebrations are being celebrated as Amrit Mahotsav to mark the completion of 75 years of our independence. The day of 15th August is a symbol of the pride and sacrifice of those heroes who sacrificed everything for our country. This festival is to remember those moments of pride which are associated with the history of India's independence. There are many such facts related to our independence which is not known to many people. The Amrit Mahotsav is to remember the sacrifices of all those anonymous martyrs and to take inspirations from them. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. On the occasion of Independence Day, when the country is celebrating the 75th anniversary of its independence, let us take a place to make new Atmanirbhar Bharat with the best of tradition and with the most modern global outlook. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day once again. Thank you.
Good morning and happy Independence Day. Today is the day of recognizing and remembering the one who gallantly fought and sacrificed their lives while freeing India from slavery and mass exploitation under British rule. So before I begin with my speech, here I would like to deliver a message to the younger generation of India. अब भी जिसका खून न खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. If yet your blood doesn't rage, it's water that flows in your veins, for what is the flush of youth if it is not of service to the motherland? We are blessed to have a right to speak and to be heard, a right for which our ancestors battled for and lost their lives. Let's take a moment to show our respect in the remembrance of the lost souls of our nation who paved the way for the freedom that we enjoy today. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, I feel very honored to be able to give away my speech on this glorious 75 years of our nation that our country, martyrs, have entrusted upon us. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies within us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. The significance of its beautiful story is that this nation has gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. We can proudly say that India has never invaded any country in its 10,000 years of history. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. As we know that Independence Day has a very significant role in the lives of every citizen of India. But do we really know who urged for the existence of this day? It's us, citizens of India. We urged for an independent nation where every citizen had the right to speech, express, equality, educational rights and many more. But all of these urges were meaningless in absence of a leader. The most significant roles were played by our leaders, ancestors, to bring this day into existence. The sole vision they carried within their heart was to free the nation and their people from the crown rule in India. And so this vision turned into reality on 15th of August 1947. It won't justify if I mention few names only when talking about our heroes who contributed towards independent India. The list is never ending because every time a citizen stands for his nation, whether in protecting boundaries of his nation or bringing pride, recognition in whichever form to his nation, is the leader of India, as he is some way contributing towards a better India. So as the responsible citizen of India, we should come together not just on this day but every time whenever our nation is in need of unbeatable heroes. So here I would like to conclude with few but very meaningful lines. Respect the freedom you have earned as the journey to this day was carved on the lives of many souls. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you.
वन्दे मातरम् वंदे मातरम सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला शस्य श्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमिता रुबदल शोभिनी सुभाषिणी समधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे।
कुछ बात ऐसी है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, कुछ बात ऐसी है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी। सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जमाना, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। Honorable Chancellor Ma'am, respected Registrar Sir, esteemed teachers, staff members and all the students present over here. I am Khushi, student of BSc Agriculture. I am here to express my views and feelings on this specious day. Being a citizen of India, it gives me an immense pleasure to talk about my motherland, the land which is full of religion, caste, creed, as well as a region where we share lots and lots of festivals and cultures, and at the last, a land of sacrifice. Long ago, truth was destiny, and here the time comes that we should not partially or fully, but substantially. These were the words of Pandit Nehru on the very first day of independence. कुछ नशा देश की आन का है, कुछ नशा देश की आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है. Like a phoenix that arises from its own fire, India too arose from its revolutionary fire that swept through it. So, this independence was not easy. If we really want to know about the pangs of agony of being slaves under a foreign rule, we should look back at the years before independence. Really, it was a Himalayan task for every Indian or citizen at that period of time to fight against those powerful giants. Those were the Britishers. We should never forget those struggles and sacrifices from our mind. And it is not good, and literally it's befitting to celebrate such a national festival without remembering the heroic deeds of all our patriots and leaders. Right from Mahatma Gandhi to all those local patriot leaders who sacrificed their everything for our independence. Gandhi ji was seeking liberty from the colonial rule as well as the indigenous changes that has occupied our country for a long run. As well as at the same time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and many other freedom fighters did lot of satyagrahas and movements for making our country free from the slavery. But at the same time, they have to face lots and lots of problems. They have to fight without the arms. They have to go to the jails. But they never gave up, because they were occupied with the feeling of independence for their country. They never gave up because of the strength of unity and self-confidence in them. Basically, when we talk about democracy, democracy is the biggest form of government we can say in the whole world. And we are
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
हर करम अपना करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए,
मेरे लिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए. आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो
मेरा कर्मा तू मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं मेरा सब कुछ तू। हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। तू मेरा कर्मा तू मेरा धर्मा तू मेरा अभिमान है।